Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically enable private listening. So what that is that, for instance, let's just view friends activity. Here you can see like your friends listening to songs, and they can also see what you're listening to as well. So this is what you can do if you don't want, I don't know, people to know like what you're listening to. So go to like your profile here and select private session. And when you are listening in that private session, people can't see your activity here. Well, I'm sure like some people don't really pay attention, but if you want to switch to private listening, just go here and select private session. If you want to stop the private session, just select it again. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!